Good morning, seniors. Today I have for you a new arsenal for your toolbox. It is a interview microphone from Comica, and we'll be starting right after this. Okay, in case we haven't met before, my name is John Bell. I'm a retired school teacher, now a full-time YouTuber. Today I have for your review a Comica interview microphone. So let's go over to the desktop and take a look at it. Okay, here you see this is the microphone. I purchased this February 27th. It's a little over a month ago. It's an XLR microphone on the bottom, which you can see right here. Okay, now you can get numerous XLR to a 1/8 jacks, XLR to 1/4 jacks, whatever you want. They're all on Amazon. The You can even get XLR to USB. Okay. Now I've tried this with both my cell phone, and it works just fine. Of course, you have to use an adapter. This is the thing. You have to get your own cable for it. It does not come with a cable. Okay, this is what it does. You see the price is $89. It's a very, very good microphone for $89. It has a place to put your logo here, like you see in the interviews, WGN, WRN, whatever, TBS, so now, let's see, we're going to go take this microphone, and of course I can't show you the microphone because I'm using it, but we're going to go to the overhead and we're going to unbox it and show you the features of it. So, okay, here we have the microphone, HRM-C. There's another one, HRM-S. It's very, very close to it. And the way you unbox this is you slide this out. One moment. Okay, inside is a box, Comica. As you can see, has a place here. It was originally taped. I've taken the tape off, and it opens up. You have a very nice carrying case here. I put inside the carrying case. There's the instructions and a couple little things. Comica logo, if you'd wish to put that here, like I'll get it one of these days, like here, so you can have the thing. Me, I prefer to have my decal here of my channel. Okay. Reviews for seniors. Okay, so these are all in here. Get rid of this. And down in here you have one of those silica things to soak up the moisture. And a thank you card from Comica, and how you can reach the company for instructions or whatever. Now, as far as setting this up, I have the front jack on my computer programmed to be my default microphone, and so I took my Takstar, unplugged it, and I plugged this right in, and it's now my default microphone. I think it's very crisp. It's clear. Um, of course, you can use this for interviewing back and forth, and it's also it will if you put this between two people, it because of the keratoid pattern, it will pick up either side, okay, and cut out the side noise. I haven't had a chance to do that yet, but the thing that you need to use for this is the XLR, okay, thing, 2A 1/8 inch or 3.5 millimeter with 2 ring connectors, okay, to use with your camera or computer, okay. If you want to use this in my cell phone, which I have used, you need an adapter from the 2 ring to the 3 ring. Okay, this is not powered. Okay, this is a passive microphone. You don't need any phantom power to uh, use this microphone. And overall, I will give this a thumbs up. Probably about 4.5 stars, not quite 5, because if you move the microphone away, you start losing it. Okay, so you have to make sure you keep it close to your mouth. Uh, Now, this is indicative of any microphone that's a keratoid pattern. Okay, not just this. Okay, and so until next time, uh, remember the model number of this was HRM-C. It's made by Comica. Okay, until then, please subscribe, click the notification bell, and this is John Bell signing out. This is John Bell, thanking you for watching another quality video from Reviews for Seniors. If you see this on Facebook, please like it. If you see it on YouTube, please subscribe, like it, share it with your friends and neighbors and family, and subscribe and ring the notification bell, and my next video will appear in your inbox. Until then, this is John Bell, signing off.